Good morning students, welcome back to the Sheba online class. Today also we go for the P block elements part 2. For that the concept is that is action of nitric acids. We continue these lessons of nitric acids. What is the actions? In this nitric acids all the metals or all the elements it's react with the nitric acid, but except that is the particular elements that is gold, platinum, rhodium, lithium and tantalum, that is tantalum. That kind of element it's not react with the nitric acids. Apart from that elements, all the elements it's react with what is that? Nitric acids. Okay. In this nitric acids have the different type of that is oxidations. For that depending nitric acids and nitrogen dioxide and nitrous acids, nitrogen monoxide and nitrous oxide, nitrogen and ammonia. It's depending on that oxidations numbers is mentioned here for +5 to the -3. So depending on that the different type of oxidizing agent for the nitric acids you have to learn. For that the primary reactions. For that primary reactions how to react with that the different type of metals. I am going to mention the metals, that is the symbol of M. M, that is that any element you have to mention. For react with nitric acid we can get what is that? Metal nitrate and along with the H. You have to notice that H is the only one atoms, that is not a gaseous state. If there is a gaseous state means I am going to mention H2. So 2 atoms is that only for gaseous state, but I am going to mention about only one atom, that is called nascent hydrogen. What is that? Yes, nascent hydrogen. For that, for the secondary reactions, the nitric acids react with what is that? Nascent hydrogen. We can get what is that? Nitrous acid. You have to notice that this is for nitrous acid and this is for nitrous oxide. So 2 different name, that is acid category and this is what is that? Oxide category. The nitrous oxide, you can understand about that nitrous oxide, the laughing gas அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருப்பாங்க. Some film also is established for that the gas nitrous laughing பண்றக்கூடிய அந்த gaseous name is nitrous oxide. Okay, so that is the different. ஏனா நிறைய பேருக்கு அந்த confusions இருக்கும் acids or oxides. So this is the difference of the chemical formula. And move on to the secondary reactions, we can get what is that? Nitrous acid along with water molecules. Okay, and that is the tertiary reactions of that nitrous acid. For the tertiary reactions it's classified into decomposition of the secondary and reaction of the secondary products. What we get from these reactions, I will give that examples. For the nitrous acids that is decomposed means that is only one reactant. Okay, so reactant வந்து ஒன்னு இருந்தா மட்டும் அதுக்கு decomposition அப்படின்ற reactions category உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So what we get for after the decompose, that is nitric acid along with nitric oxide and water molecules. Likewise reaction of secondary products, for the nitrous acid react with ammonia, that is NH3, we can get nitrogen gaseous state along with what is that? Water molecules. So you have to refer that in a textbook. The so many reactions also is there for that in your leisure time, and examples also given in your textbook. Okay, and move on to this. After the examples for the nitrous acids we go for the uses of the nitric acids. What is the uses? The nitric acid is used as the oxidizing agent. Yes, very well known about that. The nitrous oxides, what is that? The different type of oxidizing numbers, so it's very great oxidizing agent also. And preparation of aqua regia. What is that aqua regia? Aqua regia means that is sulfuric acid and nitric acid, or sulfuric acid hydrochloric acids, it's mixed in ratio 1:3. In this type of solution it's called aqua regia. Okay, and salt of nitric acid are used photography, that is AgNO3, that is silver nitrate, and gunpowder for firearms. Okay, that is sodium nitrate, that is NaNO3. So this is the nitric acids uses. Now go for that the so many reactions with that nitrogen family. Okay, let's go for it. You can see the pictures. for the name, formula as well as the oxidation state and physical properties for that the preparations also. Okay, the first one is nitrous oxide. That is nitrous oxide, the formula N2O. Okay, that is nitrous oxide. We have to go for that oxidation state, that is +1. This is the physical property for the colorless gas and neutral. For the charges is neutral also, for that either positive or negative, it's not for that. So you can mention that is the neutral. And the preparations for the nitrous oxide, from this ammonium nitrate, the decomposed, we can get nitrous oxide along with water molecules. Okay, this is a simple preparations for that. From which one? Ammonium nitrate. And move on to this nitric oxide, that is NO, that is monoxide. The oxidation state, that is +2 in colorless gas, and that is also neutral. The preparation is sodium nitrate and ferrous sulfate and sulfuric acids react, we can get that ferrous sulfate and sodium bisulfate and water molecules along with what is that? Nitric oxide. This is the preparations for that. And move on to this dinitrogen trioxide, that is also called nitrogen sequa oxide. So that is the another name. Okay, that is the chemical formula N2 and O3. Okay, that is the oxidation state is +3 and blue solid, and that is that acidic category. The preparation is 2NO plus N2O4 gives 2N2O3, that is that dinitrogen trioxide. Okay, and move on to this next preparations for the nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2. Oxidation state is +4 and brown gas, and that is also acidic. We can get lead nitrate decomposed. After that we can get nitrogen dioxide along with lead oxide and oxygen. Okay, and then nitrogen tetraoxide N2O4. The oxidation state is +4 also and colorless and solid acidic. For the preparations decompose of nitrogen dioxide, we can get N2O4, that is nitrogen tetraoxide. And the nitrogen pentoxide N2O5, the oxidation state is obviously +5, colorless solid as well as that is also the acidic, that is the acidic compound for all the nitric family. We can get it, the nitric acid react with phosphorus pentoxide, we can get nitrogen pentoxide along with HPO4. Okay, this is the preparations for that nitrogen family of the nitric acids. Now move on to this structure of oxides of nitrogen. This is the structure of oxides of nitrogen. The name is nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, as well as go to the nitrogen pentoxide up to. Okay, the formula also you know very well about the previous concept. I am going to straight way for the structures of the nitrous oxide. This is the nitrous oxide, the formula along with the structure. You have to notice that N2O, the nitrogen, we have to get it the triple bonded, that is the triple bonded to the unsaturated for N. We have to octet rule. For that one bond have to consider as the 2 electrons, 1, 2, and that is the have to 3 bonded, so 2, 2, 2, 4, that is the 6 electrons is there, remaining 2 electrons have to mention of the side. So totally octet rule படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா நைட்ரஜனை சுத்தி உங்களுக்கு 8 electrons இருக்கணும். So 3 bondedல உங்களுக்கு 6 electrons, remaining 2 electrons இருக்கு. So அதே மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு இந்த electrons பத்தி நீங்க கவனிச்சீங்க அப்படினா இங்க 3 bonded, இந்த சைடுல 1 bonded இருக்கு. So each bond have 2 electrons. So 4 bonded இருக்கு. இங்க 3, இங்க 1. So totally 4 bonded, it's like a 8 electrons. So இதே பேஸ் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு ஆக்சிஜனை கம்பைன் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா that is only 1 bonded is there, remaining 6 electrons have to mention for the other sides. Okay, this is positive charge as well as oxygen is the negative charge. So this is the structure of the nitrous oxide. We can write also for the bonded, for the isomerism, that is one of the isomerisms, we can write also the double bonded in between that nitrogen to nitrogen and nitrogen to oxygen. So remaining electrons have to mention for the other sides, but you have to notice that is oxygen here for the positive charge and nitrogen is the negative charge of this type of isomerism. So the two different type of structure you have to understand. Okay, and move on to this next one, nitric oxide, that is NO. we can get that the triple bond for between that nitrogen with the oxygen. That is the parameter of the distance is 115, that is 115, that is the parameter of the distance between the nitrogen to oxygen. So likewise you have to refer the textbook for that how to be in this structure is there, okay. And move on to the next concept is structures of the oxo acids of nitrogen. The oxo acids, likewise hyponitrous acid and hydronitrous acids. For that formula H2N2O2 and H4N2O4. For the structure also is given, likewise you have to refer, and bonded also is here, so you have to practice well for the structure also, okay. That is nitrous acids and pernitrous acids and nitric acids and pernitric acids structure is there also, you have to notice that, okay. And move on to this oxo acids nitrogen of the preparations. For that the structure you have to notice that the octet rule of that considered as the bonded as well as the electrons. So அது கண்டிப்பா நீங்க நோட் பண்ணுங்க, electrons உடைய octet rule படி உங்களுக்கு place ஆயிருக்கா அப்படின்றத பார்த்து நீங்க practice பண்ணீங்கன்னா structures automatically will come out for that, okay. And preparation of the oxo acids of the nitrogen, and previous state we have to go for the nitric acids of nitrous oxides. Likewise oxo acids oda preparations inge kuduthirukanga. So I am going to tell about the only one preparations, you have to go through it for that till to the end, okay. Hyponitrous acids, that is a formula is H2N2O2, that is the oxidation state is +1. Preparations of that Ag2N2O2, that is react with HCl, we can get what is that silver chloride with H2N2O2, that is hyponitrous acid. Likewise nitrous oxides நீங்க எல்லாமே இதே மாதிரி preparations oxidations ஓடைய சேர்த்து நீங்க படிச்சீங்க அப்படினா it will be very easy to understand. Oxidation state நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா +1 to +3 +5, likewise we can get it that the product also depending on that oxidation state, okay. And move on to this the main concept of this chapter, that is that the allotropic forms of phosphorus. Phosphorus பத்தி நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். In this structure you can see that the textbook I am going to show you for the structure of the phosphorus, the general structure, that is P4, that is that 4 types of what is that phosphorus. So you have to mention that 4 atoms of the phosphorus. Likewise its structure is there, and move on to this. In this structure for the red phosphorus I am going to explain about that phosphorus the full details and now. And before that you have to notice that structure, and so easy to way to understand about that structure of that red phosphorus. In this red phosphorus is layer up to the 4 types of phosphorus is connected into one type of phosphorus to the another type. So likewise red phosphorus oda structures inga irukku, and the single atoms of that phosphorus adoda structure inga kuduthirukanga, seriya. So you have to notice that the structure, the informations of the phosphorus, the main thing for the interesting informations about that. The phosphorus has several allotropic modification of which is 3 forms, namely white, red, black. Phosphorus of the most common. So most உங்களுக்கு red, black and along with white colors phosphorus உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். அது மட்டும் இல்லாம நிறைய apart from that நிறைய allotropic means the different type of the structure is there for that phosphorus as well. We go for that the main thing white, red and black, okay. In fresh prepared white phosphorus is colorless. So நீங்க ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றப்ப உங்களுக்கு என்ன கலர்ஸ்ல இருக்கும்னா that is the colorless இருக்கும். It becomes pale yellow color due to the formation of layer of red phosphorus. So red phosphorus உங்களுக்கு ஃபார்ம் ஆகக்கூடிய அந்த டைமிங்ல உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்டிங்ல yellowisha தான் உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ரேம் ஆகும், ஓகேவா. Hence it's also known for the yellow phosphorus. So அந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல நம்ம yellow phosphorus கூட நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணலாம் up to the till to convert into red. So red ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு அந்த கலர்ஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறப்ப உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் yellowல இருக்கும் இல்லையா, ஸோ yellow phosphorus ஆகும் நம்ம அதை reactions use பண்ணலாம். It is poisonous in nature, has characteristic in garlic smell. That is the garlic smell வரும் உங்களுக்கு. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் that is that the poisonous, very harmful, so that is also the poisonous in nature. And in dark, for its glows in dark. So dark on a place la the phosphorus it's look like a glitters. Why? Because oxidation. So oxidations it's happen for the dark in area, we can get the glitters of the phosphorus. And in the ignition temperature of the very low and hence undergoes spontaneous combustion in air for room temperature for the phosphorus pentaoxides. That is very low temperature, it will be react with another elements. Okay, so that is the room temperature will happen into the phosphorus, what is that, pentaoxides. Okay, and the one more information about white phosphorus can be changed into red phosphorus by heating 420 degrees Celsius in the absence of air. You have to notice that 420 degrees Celsius is absence of air, not in this presence of air. Okay, so உங்களுக்கு ஓப்பன் பிளேஸில் உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஏர் அட்மாஸ்பியரில் ரியாக்ஷன் ஆகாது. ஓகே, அதுதான் அவங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, தட் இஸ் த ஆப்சன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஏர். அண்ட் அன்லைக் ஒயிட் பாஸ்பரஸ் இஸ் நாட் பாய்ஸ்னஸ். ஓகே, அப்போது ஒயிட் பாஸ்பரஸ் வந்து பாய்ஸ்னஸ் இருக்காது. ஒய்? பிகாஸ் தட் இஸ் நாட் ஹேப்பன் தி ஆக்சிடேஷன்ஸ். ஸோ ஆக்சிடேஷன்ஸ் இருக்காது, தட் இஸ் ஸ்பான்டேனியஸ் கம்பியூஷன்ஸ். ஆல்சோ phosphorescence. Phosphorescence means it's happen oxidations. It's not a phosphorescence means it's not happen the oxidations. Which happen na neenga kandippa phosphorescence nu solnom. Oxidations nadakala appadina it's not phosphorescence appdi neenga solnom. So obviously white phosphorus la oxidations irukadu kandippa, adanal adu poisonous avum irukadu appdi solranga. It's not ignite the low temperatures. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இது வந்து லோ டெம்பரேச்சர்ஸில் உங்களுக்கு இக்னிஷன் ஆகும், ஐ மீன் ஃபயர் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். பட் இந்த ஒயிட் பாஸ்பரஸில் இட்ஸ் நாட் வில் ஹேப்பன், பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் இட்ஸ் நாட் அ லோ டெம்பரேச்சர் ஆஃப் தி இக்னிட். அண்ட் ரெட் பாஸ்பரஸ் கேன் பி கன்வெர்ட் பேக் இன் டு தி ஒயிட். ஸோ ரெட் கலர் பாஸ்பரஸ் எல்லோயிஷாக ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிட்டு உங்களுக்கு ரெட் கலராக நான் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். அகெயின் வி கேன் கோ ஃபார் தட், வாட் இஸ் தட், ஒயிட் கலர்டு பாஸ்பரஸ் வி கேன் டூ இட். ஒயிட் பாஸ்பரஸ் it's depending by the boiling of inert atmosphere. You have to notice that it's by inert atmosphere and condensing of the vapor under the water. You have to mention the two reasons to this red phosphorus convert into white phosphorus. Why? Because the two reasons is inert atmosphere, that is the first point, and condensing of the vapor under the water. So these two types is for that the conditions to change the color. Okay, and the phosphorus has layer, the structure that is act also, what is that, the semiconductors. And the four atoms of the phosphorus have polymering. நீங்கள் ரெட் பாஸ்பரஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, இட்ஸ் கனெக்டட் டு தி ஒன் பாஸ்பரஸ் டு தி அதர் பாஸ்பரஸ், தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ called, what is that, polymeric structures. இந்த டைப் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை நம்ம பாலிமெரிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ சிங்கிள் பாஸ்பரஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸும் நம்ம பார்த்தோம், as well as ரெட் பாஸ்பரஸ் கனெக்டட் வித் தி ஃபோர் பாஸ்பரஸ் எலமெண்ட்ஸ், அதோடவும் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். தட் இஸ் த மெயின் திங் ஃபார் which one, that is a phosphorus elements. Okay, and move on to this properties of phosphorus. And but I am not going to teach you for this class, we have to move on to this next class of the properties. Okay, now I am going to wind up this class here. So I hope you understand about this concept, and obviously you have to send it for the homeworks on 5 PM. Okay students, thank you.